Hey guys, Eric here with Project DIY. As you can see, I'm up here on the roof. I've got lots of leaves. I told you in my previous video when I installed the gutters, if you haven't watched that, check it out here. But we're gonna be installing some gutter guards today. This is the particular brand we're gonna be installing, the Armor Lock. I bought these from Menards, so stay tuned and we'll show you how to put them on. All right guys, before we get started putting these leaf guards in, I hung a little section of gutter in here in the barn, and I'm gonna show you, that way you get a little bit better view of it. You know exactly how to install these. So here's your hangers. This is just like it's hanging on the house. Here's your hangers, okay? So you're gonna wanna take this gutter guard, make sure it goes on top. Don't put it underneath like that. Make sure it goes on top of it. Both of them just like that. And then you're just gonna take it up like that and get it started. You just work your way down. Just like that. Now it's on there. It's pretty tight. I mean, once you get in there, it's got a lot of spring because this is a little bit longer. So when you put that piece in there, it bows up. And then when you push down, it snaps it in. And it keeps it in there actually nice and tight. So that's a little bit better view maybe of how those are installed. So make for sure they're on top of your hangers there, and you should be good. All right, so here's our gutters. Got them nice cleaned out, ready to go. Nothing in them. Let's get over here, take a look at our leaf guard that we got. One of these out. As you can see, it's just a real nice tight mesh. It's got a little bevel on it here. That's what's going to allow it to fit right up against your gutter there, the lip of it. Let me show you how these go on. So this goes on. This doesn't need to go up underneath the gutter. It just goes right up against the back side of the gutter right there. Push it there back like that. And then you're just gonna pull this back to you. And that right there allows it, see that tension allows that, keeps it there. That's tucked right up against the back. This right here, it keeps tension forward on this lip right here. And then that there allows all your water to come through. Alright, as you're installing these, you'll see this little gap that we have here, about a ½ inch. It's just where this goes in there. It gives you that little bit of overlap, about a ½ inch there. So you just take and push this back in here, push it down in there, work your way down, and it just pops right in, just like that. Scoot down like that, gives you just a little bit of overlap. That way nothing can get in there. All right, we're up here at the end of it. As you can see, it's not going to be a full piece. Let me hold one up here. Let's get your overlap. As you can see, we're hanging out another, I don't know, about 8 inches. So you can measure it, or what I'm going to do, I'm going to stick it there where it needs to go. Kind of hold it in place, bring my hand down here, hold it where I want it to be at. Now just keep my thumb on it. Then I'm going to grab a pair of metal snips where my thumb's at. Cuts really easy. Bring it back around here. Pop it on, and there we go. We'll keep this extra piece because we might be able to use it somewhere, and if you need to, well, we still have the notch. But if you need to, you can always cut the notch out of that side if you have to have that side as well. So that way you can get your overlap. So that's how you do your cut pieces. Guys, hopefully this video has been helpful for you all. If you would, give us some likes, give us some subscriptions, and remember, as always, why hire a guy when you can DIY? Thanks for watching.